Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the exact Google account that holds the saved activity. Once signed in, open Activity Controls or My Activity in Settings. This is where Google lists web and app activity, location, and YouTube history. Make sure your device or two-step verification is available if Google requests confirmation. Don't navigate away, stay in the account view. This step gives you access to the controls that let you pause, delete, or auto-delete activity data. Once in My Activity, use the filter menu to choose a date range or specific Google product, such as Chrome or YouTube. You can then select single entries by tapping the three-dot menu next to each item or use the Bulk Select checkbox to remove many items at once. After selection, press Delete and Confirm. This permanently removes the chosen history from your account. Make sure to review items first, because deletions cannot be undone. Finally, set auto-delete to a retention period, 3, 18, or 36 months, so older activity is removed automatically, and pause specific activity types you no longer want to record. Once you apply these settings, verify by checking My Activity again to confirm items gone. If you encounter errors, make sure to clear browser cache, sign out and back in, or retry on a desktop browser. This typically resolves sync or display issues. If deletions still fail, check account permissions and device sync.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.